This next exercise is the kettlebell snatch. One of the biggest advantages to this is the explosive force, and not only generating at the bottom, but learning how to control at the very top position. So with the finish of this position, I'm going to be completely outstretched overhead with a straight arm. Obviously not hyperextended, not locked out, but still a strong straight arm. So for this, I'm starting out exactly like you would a single arm swing. So I'm still getting behind the bell, this hand's coming to the outside, going for here, up. Nice and control coming down, right back up. Whenever you start going down, do not drop it, let your shoulder dump. Keep a nice, steady tension all the way through, okay? So for the side, right here, nice and controlled. Here, right back down. You can also use 2 kettlebells for the snatch to make it a little bit more difficult. Keep in mind the dynamics of these are going to be a little bit different because you're going to have a nice wide stance. Normally with a hip hinge, you want to be close, that way you come up. This is going to feel almost like a sumo deadlift with a wide stance because I have to clear both the bells between my knees. So from right here, I'm backing up a little bit. Good control, squatting my butt down, that way I can get a little bit of force to come up. And from right here, up. Right there, coming down, exactly the same. Keep tension in the shoulders.